fancy epic. LV. I can show you how to bust a brick if you let me. I'm on a gram like a switch is ready. She leaning on Celine cause she was stepping into Giuseppe. Catch up 50 like each Pirelli. I got 8 of them called me and ready. From in the telly, selling the Yeti. Then I'm boiling your bitch like she is spaghetti. Heavy. Circle back and come and get this Kelly. And your ears too if you wanna like belly. Lot of jet, product betting, 9/11. I'm no fool too. What? Top of heaven. Fuck around and get your body trace trying to test me. Cause niggas like to draw when it's sketchy. If they catch me, don't forget me. Resurrect me. Your dog tag the same place that they forget me. Ski. This is culture. No. So be it, so be it. Smoke.
I'm gonna show y'all something.
So be it, solid. Valid, you ain't malice. Been quiet, ain't quiet, you ain't Paris. Oh, money, we ain't valid. You ain't believe God did, you ain't Cal. All black, back to back. This ain't traffic. Can't wrap your head around that. Dog tweet, bird talk, we all Paris. No star, from the book, we like Dallas. 21, cause the loop, we been savage. Tag 'em up. Add 'em up, them niggas average. Flying men, flying out, only the baddest. If I had her, then you had her, she never mattered. Wish upon the stars on my roof, they all scattered. Ain't no more Neptune, so peace chatter. Off the first key up, they re-up. It's a pattern, like middlemen, they killing them, you know what happens. It's culture. So be it, so be it. Smoke. So be it. You cried in front of me, you died in front of me. Calabasas took your bitch and your pride in front of me. Her utopia had moved right up the street. This is culture. No. So be it. Smoke. So be it, so be it.
Yo, what's up, T.I.?
Wondering how I got here? Well, when you get a for something different is all you'll live for. Try different. I said.
I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all can see that?
Mine. You think everything belongs to you? It doesn't. Ishmael, don't speak to your brother like that. I hate it. I'll never.
Narcotic nights.
Never. Isaac, go find your father. He didn't mean the words he said. What?
Yeah, I'm trying to do embroidery shit now.
He thinks Isaac was chosen over him because of something he's done wrong. He deserves to know the truth. That he is as much Abraham's son as Isaac is, not yours. And for some reason,
I look like embroidered it up there.
Somebody needs to tell him.
That's kind of thin black right there.
If I tell him, he'll hate me for having deceived him his entire life.
I gotta run it through a different
the more Isaac grows, the more Ishmael will hate him.
But yeah, that,
like Cain hated Abel.
Oh yeah, I'll check that out.
Know what this is? The pledge. Between you and
I don't like that. Those skeletons with that no booty crack. It's funny.
Is it true?
Yeah, boy. I probably ran out with all the extra colors and shit, but yeah.
All makes sense now.
Alright, headed the food line now.
No, I've always done what you have told me to do.